Now the drink be this.
Thank you very much. Precious, please help me and get my phone inside. It's on silent.
Okay, ma'am.
My dear, so how are you now? How have you been? You didn't tell me you're coming.
Fish are they fresh now? If they collect contract up and down, Oga just they call you, eh?
My sister, it's not my doing. No,
that office don't tire me. The way your guy does that band knows once, you they collect contract now only you.
But they share with you now. Why they talk like
that? She go be like saying I make collect. Don't you understand?
We're in this together. Just calm down. Calm down. Just calm down.
Let me do that transfer. I want to do something.
Yeah, that's why I asked her to bring the phone. Precious!
Oh, I never see the phone.
Sorry, I'm coming.
Come here, Dema. Come here. Do him. See them. See, I have a killer. They will kill you. They hear me. They are smart. Smart. Precious. Baby girl.
Sorry for keeping you waiting.
No.
I have your account number. Precious, please get me the drink.
This thing is sweet though.
Ma, I cannot give you this drink.
Why?
I can't. You are too good to go.
I don't understand.
No, I can't. Please, ma.
What's your reason?
Your friend poisoned the drink.
Hey, I don't understand.
I don't get.
Yes.
Like my childhood friend poisoned my drink.
Yes, madam.
My best friend poisoned my drink.
Do you even believe that I can do that for you?
Why would I believe that?
Do you know since when we've been together? Are you okay at all?
I'm okay.
I poisoned my own friend drink.
Yes, you did.
I was looking for an opportunity to chase you out. I think this is the best time.
Why, ma?
Why would you say my best friend poisoned my drink?
I'm saying the truth, ma. She poisoned it.
In
I can't lie, ma.
In fact, just shut up.
I beg for sure I go out.
It's high time you leave my house.
Why?
I'm just tired of your rubbish.
Think it to me.
Like seriously, my own best friend. What did you?
Chineke.
In fact, let me even get her back.
I beg, go get her back. Make she come out for this house. Useless thing. You don't leave here. Go. I will kill you today. She might tell you not to tell her. Better let her to die. Because if she not die, I will not able to collect that contract. See, I have money. I will give you money. I will give you 5 million. So, better die. Don't do this. You come back here. Come back here. You go today. Next thing. Give her out of the house. Let me help you to carry it. Or let me move. Come out.
Outside. Rubbish.
Come back here. See, be going. If I hear anything, if I should hear anything, don't say anything. Don't worry, I will come to your place. Come stress. Be going. So she's finally dead. Stinky brat. Let me say no pants. Let me do my mini transfer. Is it only you? Oga go dey send you up and down. Omo. See money. May I do everything. Thank God. Thank God. I'm leaving. Oh my.
I trusted you. After everything I've done for you. You want me dead?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Mabinu kill you there. After everything. Like seriously. Are you okay? I overheard everything.
Yes.
Remy.
Get out of my house. I said get out before I call the police.
My friend.
Friend kill you there.
Childhood friend, Remy, Joe.
Transfer my money.
Please.
Transfer my money before I call the police.
Remy, please. Don't call the police. I will do it.
Rubbish. Bad friends everywhere. Now get out of my house. Out.
Please.
I said out. Rubbish.
Hey, Remy.